Another milestone has been reached at the 8 Flags Energy site, the construction of the air intake system. With the major components in place and being readied for service, the air intake system for the turbine generator has been installed. The air intake duct sits atop the combined heat and power plant and will supply clean, fresh air to the turbine. This is a significant as well as highly visual milestone for the project.
So the turbine's going to suck all that air in, so of course the turbine is very, that air has to be super clean before it can enter that turbine. So you can see behind me we're in the process of installing the catwalks and ladders that are going to gain us access to the air intake. The main purpose of these are to get up and change the filters. The 2 smaller doors up there are the filter house. That's where you would change out the filters. Actually, the area behind the filters has to be cleaned and signed off by the solar rep because there's no protection after the filters. So when that goes into service, anything after the filters has to be spotless. So we don't want any debris entering the turbine.
The 8 Flags Energy air intake system sits directly above the turbine generator and is supported by a rigid steel tower rising more than 30 feet above grade.
The structural steel, the ladders and platforms were built by a fabricator about 100 miles north of here. It's all galvanized steel. Anything that's not painted or coated or stainless does not hold up in this environment. So everything on this project is galvanized. As you can see, we're going to install safety gates on all the ladders, handrail everywhere, so a guy'd be able to walk up there and wouldn't have to be wearing a harness or tied off to anything. All the stairs in that tower, it's just to gain access up there to that filter house. And it's a support structure for that whole intake structure.